Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're in the exact Facebook/Messenger account that received the media. This matters because messages tie to accounts. Next, check your device file manager and the Messenger folder. Sometimes files remain locally. Once done, make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active and disable any VPNs, because network interruptions block media fetch. These quick checks eliminate the most common roadblocks before you attempt message or cache recovery. Now clear Messenger's cache to remove stale references that show media no longer available. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, toggle off, and on background app, refresh or reinstall. Once done, force stop and reopen Messenger so it resyncs message attachments from Facebook servers. If the attachment still fails, politely ask the sender to resend or use the chat's download option. Re-requesting often restores links to. Finish by trying recovery routes. Open Messenger on the Facebook website. Web clients sometimes fetch media differently, and inspect archived or hidden messages where attachments can reappear. Once done, check message requests and archived chats because attachments may live there. If the file still shows unavailable, ask the sender to re-upload to cloud storage or email it. This is the fastest fallback. Troubleshooting tip: if re-download fails, test another device or network to confirm whether the issue is local or on the sender's file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.